So what is up, guys? And today is the same day. So I know it's the same day, but I just wanted to do another video. So let's flip the camera in 3, 2, 1. Boom, bam! Just did magic. So today I'll be showing my Bulldozer, and this is awesome. It's too cool. Now you might know what's gonna happen because you can see the hinges and stuff. Those hinges, you can see them easily. But this thing can lift stuff. Only small stuff, and sometimes, and it can also plow through stuff. Well, I know every Lego vehicle can plow through stuff. Not that much because they can just climb out just other Lego pieces. But I got some lights, like real life bulldozers do. Like these things, these pieces, you know, these little pieces, and I think these are like pieces that like a lot that cars can't come because there's construction and stuff. So I don't know if that's supposed to be a thing or not. But we got a little dude holding the steering wheel. I don't think you guys can see it, so I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the steering wheel. And today we'll hold on. Just give me a second. Okay, technical difficulties. Come on, steering wheel. No. Okay. Hold on. I can't hold the iPad for too long, or my hand might get a little bit pain. So this is the Bulldozer, as you know. So there's actually 3 dots, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Now I just wanted to do this. So I just wanted to make more space for the driver, so I just did that. And yeah, this is actually really cool. And let's flip the camera again. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And leave a like to Clumsy Power 38 because he's my best YouTuber. It's not just because of his other videos. It's not because of his other videos. I mean, now he has 3 videos, but before he closed it, his videos were just great. By the way, when he actually was gonna close it, I watched like ton of his videos. Also, I watched the same videos. And his monorail on Evertech Sandbox / Scrap Mechanic Mobile, whatever, blah, 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 blah. It was cool. Like, insanely cool. And now that's it for the video, guys. So yeah. And I'm gonna flip the camera and 3, 2, 1, boom. I have a lot of candy though.